Good afternoon. It is Monday, October 15th of 2018, and this is a private Bitcoin cryptocurrency index update for subscribers. Well, all I can say is that things are looking extremely wonderful for a possible spike for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies this week, very likely possibly this Thursday or Friday. So let's review. You'll notice that in the past 4 months, Bitcoin has carved out this channel. It can be best described as a bottleneck formation here in the past 2 weeks. You'll notice that last week Bitcoin did drop, but notice it stopped exactly at the bottom of the bottleneck, which will be equivalent to here. And then over the weekend traded sideways, and then look what happened today. Jumped straight up and currently trades at the top of the bottleneck. So once again, Bitcoin is back up above the EMA lines, and it's looking very, very bullish. So based on the cycle pattern, it's about to pop. We should see a couple more days here sideways upwards, and then a price explosion very likely later this week. We zoom in here. Let's look at the next resistance point. So you'll notice today, don't be surprised if Bitcoin closes underneath $6,875. Next, we should see Bitcoin move up, and the next resistance point is 7,432, followed by 7,989, and then the spike target here is $9,792 for Bitcoin on the spike. Now it could go higher, but that does look like to be the resistance point if we scroll over to page 2. Again, so somewhere just under $10,000 is what we're looking for Bitcoin this week. However, the probability for a spike is high right now. So if you look at page 2, I took the same Bitcoin chart and overlaid it here on the spike chart, which is a very, very rare cycle pattern. You'll notice that incredibly all the points here are now complete. So you've got A, B, C, D, E, F into G. And G was the drop last week, and you'll notice the price has since moved back up and then work its way again higher tomorrow. But we're looking for Bitcoin to continue and the altcoins to continue to move up this week, and then finish with a spike to possibly just under $9,800 Thursday or Friday of this week. Next, let's look over to Litecoin. On a spike, Litecoin has overhead resistance and a target of $111. And then Digibyte, same thing. I've taken the chart here and I've overlaid that on the spike chart, and we should see Digibyte spiking to 5 cents. That would double from where it is trading currently. And then a spike into 5 cents would in fact outperform Bitcoin by a quite sizable margin. So some of these altcoins are expected to outperform Bitcoin as it moves up this month and this year. For more information on that, look at the October 2nd update. Click here, and it'll show you some of the top 10 to 15 coins. Lastly, the stock market is expected to be the trigger. So what we're expected to see here is continued price weakness in the stock market. The chart analysis comparing current time to history looks truly quite incredible. We've had a cycle high come in on October 3rd at 0.2. On October 4th, the stock market did in fact reverse and drop, and then last week we had about 1,000-point drop on the stock market, confirming that 0.2 was in fact the cycle top and looks like the final top for the stock market. So stock markets are expected to have continued weakness into the midterm elections, which comes in right at approximately 0.3. Then we get a bounce, and then the big one. And I do believe the US dollar is going to move with the stock market down. So if the paper assets, stock market, and the dollar fall, very bullish for the cryptocurrencies, gold and silver. Please take the time to watch my most recent video titled World Financial Reset. Something big is coming. The World Financial Reset may occur right at 0.4 here, right after the midterms, causing the markets to plunge. Or the other scenario is the world financial reset could occur at approximately 0.5 in reaction to this big market plunge. So please, again, take the time, watch this 10-11 minute video. It talks specifically about making sure you've got some food and water, 2 months worth. It does not hurt to be prepared and be safe and be smart. Having some extra food for you and your family is not a bad idea. May God bless you and your family. We are living in extremely, extremely exciting times. These are biblical times. Something big is coming, and do expect an immense financial shift between today and year end. God bless, and we'll speak again shortly.